we have a vintage flip.
Okay.
As you can see, the magnetic item, camera protection, TPU.
Okay.
The finishing was excellent.
Very good quality.
The pocket.
You can see now. This is a flip cover.
Highly demanded right now.
Okay.
The camera protection.
Camera protection.
All the customer
It
demanding.
is also a smoke cover, right?
Yes, this is also called as a smoke cover.
Smoke
the
cover.
camera protection with the color switches. In
Okay.
this item, you can also get the 3-4 types of color.
Okay.
All the customers asking for the shutter case.
Okay.
This is the shutter case.
Okay.
As you can see, how softly is the moving
This
ups
is a
and
very
down.
updated model.
Yes, this is the update items
Okay.
right now in this market.
So hello everyone, welcome to our new blog. Today I come to Umya Enterprises, which is a mobile cover factory outlet located at Karol Bagh, Delhi, and have their own manufacturing unit which is situated at Rajkot. So they are selling their own manufacturing cover, imported cover and temper glass. So any shopkeeper who want to purchase mobile cover in wholesale rate, so please visit their shop or you can place online order. So let's meet the owner of the shop. So hello brother, how are you?
Hello sir, I'm good.
Good. So please tell me about your shop and what type of product you have dealing.
Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm Smith. We have a mobile manufacturing company in Rajkot, Gujarat.
Okay.
And also we have a mobile factory outlet in Delhi Karol Bagh market.
So brother, please let us know what is the minimum amount of order.
Minimum amount of order is 6,000 rupees. If you want to online order,
Okay.
you just have to send me a hi in WhatsApp message, and
Okay.
then you will get the link.
Okay.
Then you open the link, you will get the photos.
All the catalogs item.
Yes, catalogs, items,
okay,
rate,
okay.
photo, वगैरह, all etc.
So guys, this video is made only for those customers who don't understand Hindi language. So okay, let me show the all type of variety which you get in wholesale price. So please watch the video till the end. So guys, let me introduce this shop of Umya Enterprises, and here you get all type of mobile cover. So brother, what is the starting price you have?
The starting price is 3 rupees.
Okay.
This is a 3 rupees covers, the fabric cover.
Okay.
You can see the all. We have
Different colors also.
Different colors and all the varieties.
Okay.
You,
So brother, what is the minimum quantity?
minimum quantity of this item is 10 piece. You have
10
to
piece.
purchase 10 piece minimum per
quantity-
model. Per model. Yes,
Per
sir.
model
You have to purchase 10 pieces.
okay. On the is this price only 3 rupees only. So guys, let's move to next item. What is the price of that cover?
This is the rimless cover.
Okay.
The price of rimless cover is 10 rupees. You
10
can get the red color, blue, yellow, black, and all the.
Okay.
Okay.
In this cover also you can find all the colors, variety, and the price. What is the price of that?
The price of the rimless cover is 10 rupees.
Only 10 rupees. Brother, please tell me what is the minimum quantity purchasing?
A minimum quantity of the rimless cover is 10 pieces. You
Minimum
have
10 piece
per model. You
any
have to
customer
purchase 10 piece minimum in this item. To next item.
Sorry.
We have a bumper transparent.
Okay.
There you can see that we have the bumper and the transparent plus minus power buttons and all the things.
So
3D
super
camera.
quality cover, and you can see what is the price of that cover?
The bumper transparent price is 13 rupees.
Only 13 rupees.
Yes sir, 13
Which
rupees.
is market value minimum 100 rupees selling
Okay.
outside.
Yes sir. Minimum
But here,
100 rupees.
but this cover you can find from here only 13 rupees.
Yes sir.
Okay. Move to next variety.
In item you can purchase the minimum 3 pieces.
Only 3
also.
pieces minimum.
Yeah, minimum 3 pieces per
Very
per model.
It's good. So move to next variety.
Then we have a Indian smoke.
Okay.
As you can see, we have camera protection,
You
color
can see
switches.
the quality of the product. This is the Indian product you can find in smoke. And what is the price of that?
The starting price is of the smoke cover is 20 rupees. You can see
Okay.
we have black color, blue color, green color
There is so
also.
many colors you can find here. What is the price of that?
20 rupees, sir.
Only 20 rupees starting price of the smoke cover.
Smoke cover, yes,
Okay.
sir.
Move to next variety.
The next item is UV printed.
Okay.
There you can see the dotted cover and printed. You can feel touch.
Okay.
We have a 300 plus design and 100 plus models also in
Very
this
good,
item.
very good. 300 design?
Yes, sir. 300 plus design and the 100 plus design in 100 plus model in all the UV print
Okay,
item.
Very good, very good. So in this model you can find 300 models.
300
and
plus design. 300
Okay.
plus design or 100 plus model.
So guys, in this cover you can find 300 design. Guys, move to next variety.
The next item is Puloka leather.
Okay.
As you can see, we have 3-4 colors in this item.
In this also you can
The
see
camera protection and fully imported item.
Okay.
The soft, you can say how is soft it is. Soft it is.
Very soft and leather cover.
Rate is 20 rupees, sir.
Okay, this
leather cover.
leather cover
imported
price
cover,
is 20 rupees.
of imported cover. Imported
Oh,
leather.
this is the imported cover.
Yes, this is the imported cover.
Okay.
Quality.
Okay, move to next variety.
The next item is candy case.
Okay.
There you can see the camera protection with color switch, and also you can get the color, different colors.
Okay.
3-4 colors. We have a dark blue, denim, blue,
Okay.
black, green, red.
Okay. So
The price of this candy case is 18 rupees, sir.
candy case.
Yes, sir,
The
18
price
rupees.
of that is this cover is only 18
18
rupees.
rupees, yes, sir.
Okay. You can find so many color of them.
Next item is bumper candy.
Okay.
There you can see we have the bumper, different
Yes.
colors, switches, camera protection also given in
Okay.
this item. There you
Yes.
can see the softness
Very
of this
good
cover
quality. Very good quality. You can see just price of that cover. Tell
is
me.
24 rupees, sir.
Only 24 rupees. This cover you can get in wholesale price. Okay. Come to next variety.
The next item is the pink gullies.
Okay.
There you,
Dekhiye.
as you can see,
As
we
you
have
can
we
see-
have we have also tell you that in the UV print the dotted and plus fill touch.
Okay.
But the different is the made for the only girls.
Cover.
Pink
Okay.
gullies.
Pink
It's called
gullies.
pink gullies.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any girls who want to purchase this cover, you can must come their shop. Okay.
In
Very
this
good
item,
quality.
you can get the 100 plus model plus 300 plus design also.
Okay.
Same like UV print.
See, yes, very good. And only price of that. What is the price of that?
The price is pink gullies is 20 rupees, sir.
20 rupees.
Yes, sir.
This is the starting price of the girl
Starting
item.
price of 20 rupees.
And
This is the cheapest set of
Cheapest.
pink. Yes, sir.
Okay,
This is
okay,
the
okay.
cheapest set of
So you can see,
girls
if
item.
any girls who want to purchase this cover must come their shop. Okay. Move to next variety.
The next item is rock soft view. There you can see we have also show you the different types of colors.
Okay. You can see so many colors display now. Okay.
This is our imported item.
Quality of that cover is superb. You can see.
The color switches plus
Okay.
camera protection.
Okay,
The
camera protection also have.
S-type smoke.
Okay.
All the things you can get
And-
in this item.
Like this red, you can find all the colors: blue, green, black. So many colors you have. Okay.
Yes.
Move to next item.
Amount of rock soft view is 38 rupees, sir.
Cover you can get only in
38 rupees, sir.
38 rupees. This cover you can get only in 38 rupees. Very good. Move to next item.
Move to next item is 0.3 mm, the flexible cover.
Flexible
As you
cover.
can see, the how is flexible.
Nothing defecting. You can see. Nothing scratch. You can
This
touch.
is the scratchless.
Okay.
Nothing is happening in
This
this cover.
cover is scratchless. You can see right now. Very good quality.
You can
cover.
also get in the different types of color.
Okay. Like
Black,
this blue, black.
green, red.
Many
different
color
size.
you can.
And the rate is 37 rupees, sir.
Okay. This cover
Is
rate is
37
rupees. Very good.
0.3 mm flexible.
Okay.
In 37 rupees.
To next item.
Then the next item is Hello Kitty.
Okay.
As you can see, the
This is also girls item. This is also girls
also
item.
girls item. Moving to next item.
Okay.
The highly demanded in girls item is the Hello Kitty with the keyring. As you can see, we have the small cartoons in the cover. There is a different types of color also: pink, red, green, blue, black. All the items.
So this is very good quality.
The keyring is it's so much beautiful.
Magnetic. This is the magnetic key. You can see just now. And what is the price of the cover?
45 rupees, sir.
Only 45 rupees per cover. You can find in wholesale. Okay.
The price of all the cover is a wholesale rate, not for the retailer, sir. The price of Hello Kitty is 45 rupees,
Okay.
and the rate is only for wholesaler, not for retailer, sir.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
call me for a single piece or two piece. Okay, sir. Move to next item is Hello Kitty. As you can see, the different
Okay.
good vibes only cover.
Okay.
This is also demanding in girls item.
Okay. So this is a very latest collection. You can just see very good item. And price of that item, what is the
It's
price?
60 rupees, sir. 60
This
rupees.
item you can
in 60
buy
rupees you
in-
can get the good item, imported item. As you can see, the
very
gel.
fantastic item this is. Is this also girls item?
Yes, sir. This is also girls item.
Only 60 rupees per cover. And so you can see many design, many color you can buy from here. Okay. Move to next item.
Moving to next item, the next item is flower case, sparkling flower case.
Okay.
As you can see, we have also this is also girls item.
Okay.
As you can see, we
This
have
is also
also
a girlish
10
item.
This
you
is
can see now.
in this item you can get 10 different items.
Okay,
10 different designs.
item.
10
different design you
Yes,
can
sir.
purchase from here. Right now I will show you 3 design. You can see What is the price, brother?
Is the price of the sparkling flower case is 50 rupees, sir.
Only 50 rupees per
Yes.
cover.
Yes, sir.
And you can buy from here different color, different design in this item. Okay, brother, tell me something about that.
Moving to next item, we have a vintage flip.
Okay.
As you can see, the magnetic item,
Okay.
camera protection, TPU.
Okay.
The finishing was
Okay,
excellent.
very good
Is the
quality.
pocket.
You can see now, this is a flip cover where you get in wholesale price, no retail. Only customer who want to business from them, you can buy from here in wholesale price.
You can also get the three different types of color:
Okay.
blue, black, and brown. Price of vintage flip is 55 rupees, sir.
So this cover you can buy only in 55 rupees, and you can
Get the three different types of color.
okay, very good. Move to next item.
Moving to next item, then we have a 2-in-1 case, and you can also say this milk-in case.
Okay.
As you can see, I removed the
this is also
TPU
camera
of this
protection
item.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can also buy this cover in wholesale price.
You can see that we
can
have
see
the
camera protection cover. This is.
yes. This
Okay.
is also called as
You
a
can see
camera
what is the
protection.
design. Very fantastic design. You can
Beautiful
see now.
colors.
A beautiful color.
You can get in this item at least 7 colors. Yes,
okay.
sir.
In
7
this
color.
design, you can find 7 color.
Yes, sir.
Price of that
50 rupees, sir.
only 50 rupees per cover. Okay. Very fantastic cover. You can see now. Move
Moving
next
to
item.
moving to next item is paper cover case.
Okay.
In this item you can get only iPhone cover.
Okay.
All the range of iPhone cover, starting from 4G to 12 Pro Max.
Okay.
You can get all the models in this item.
ठीक है.
In this item you can also
This
get the
cover also
4
is
types.
the latest variety.
Yes, sir.
I can see now. What is the price? Cover?
30 rupees, sir.
Only 30 rupees per cover you can find from
In
here.
this item you can also get the blue, dark blue, green,
Okay.
light
Many
blue,
colors.
black colors. 4 types of color in this item also.
4 colors you can buy from here in this model. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Move to next variety, brother.
The next item is 3D black TPU, 3D camera with side grip. As you
Okay,
can see
you
there,
can see
the
the quality.
power button minus
Very
the
different
softness
quality.
of this cover.
It's very excellent, brother. And price?
Price of this rupees is 30 rupees, sir. Only 30 rupees.
You can see the cover, very good, very fantastic cover. You can buy from here wholesale price in only 30 rupees. Color, how many?
It's the only black color. There is
It
only black cover in
single
this
color,
item.
Single color, black color. Okay, move to next variety.
The next item is highly demanded right now.
Okay.
The camera protection.
Camera protection.
All the customer
It
demanding.
is also a smoke cover, right?
Yes, this is also called as a smoke cover.
Smoke
the
cover.
camera protection with the color switches
Okay.
and all the
You can
things.
see the guys. you
In
can
this
see the-
item, you can also get the 3-4 types of color: olive green, dark green,
Okay.
blue, black, and red. Sometimes.
So this cover you can price.
In this item, you can also get the OnePlus, iPhone,
All
Samsung,
the
Vivo,
model.
all the models,
All
running
the
all the
update
running models.
model.
You can get in this
Okay,
item.
all the update. Okay. Many features in the cover you
Yes,
find
sir.
already.
This is the mobile stand. As you can see,
Okay.
is the
It is a
used
two-in-one.
as a two-in-one. Yes.
Working. This is a mobile cover. You can find there.
In
Four
this item,
stand.
you can also get the 3 types of color:
Okay.
black, blue,
Black,
and red
black.
types of.
In this also you can find more color. Okay. Very good quality. You can see now. And updated model you will find all the covers. Okay. Move to next item.
The next item is highly demanded right now.
Okay.
All the customers asking for the shutter case.
Okay.
This is the shutter case.
Okay.
As you can see, how softly is the moving
This is a
upside
very
down.
updated model.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the update items
Okay.
right now in this market. Also called as a camera protection with the shutter case.
Shutter case.
Yes, sir.
You can see now. And
How softly is removing.
so in this cover, how many colors we can get?
In this item, you can get the 4 or 5 colors.
4 or 5 colors.
Yes,
And all the
blue,
update
light
models,
blue, green, black, red.
if anyone want all the models, we can get.
In this item, you can get highly demanded models. There are all the running models and all the things.
Okay, this is also superb quality. You can see now, and 4 5 colors you can get in this cover. Okay, so those who want to know the price, you can WhatsApp him. Number given on screen and address given on description.
These are the only samples. As you can see, we have also different items in catalog. If you want to know other items, you just have to do message in WhatsApp. Nothing
Okay.
more than that.
Okay, so those customer who want to buy from here in lot variety, we can message him on WhatsApp, number given on video screen, or any customer who want to visit their shop, most welcome. You can easily visit their shop, address given in video description. So apart from the mobile cover, right now I show you the temper glass.
This is the 0.3 mm glass.
Okay.
This is imported glass, and then 11D glass.
Okay.
Then we have the diamond OGD plus glass, and the new item is HD Pro glass. Guys, as you can see that we have the display. All the items are hanging in the display. The shutter case, the vintage flip, the pink gun list, the Rocksoft view, and there 0.3 mm 2-in-1 case. iPhone case is all black item. Camera protection.
Okay. It means there are lots of variety you have.
Yes, it means we have also many
Okay.
items. The personality gas,
UV printed glass.
UV printed,
Okay.
the Iploca leather, and then the Good Vibes Only glitter cover.
Right now I saw you the sample, but here it is. You can see there are lots of variety in the mobile cover. Lots of design, update model you can get from here. And here you can see this is a girlish item. You can see now this is the sample area. It means this is a display room.
Display area.
Okay, this is a display area. You can see now, and behind them there is
We
the
have also
factory
godown
outlet.
in here.
It is a godown. You can see one item. There is lots of stock. Okay, there is lots of item. You can see. So any wholesaler, any shopkeeper who want to purchase in wholesale, most welcome. Compared to other shopkeeper, you can get cheaper rate only in Umia Enterprises. So brother, before ending this video, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. This is the only wholesale market, wholesale shop.
Okay.
The wholesaler you can contact in WhatsApp number.
Okay.
Then you can get the order, and the payment method is the online Paytm, Phone Pay,
Okay.
Google Pay.
All the
etc.
online
all the
transaction.
online items.
Okay.
There is a not
COD
available
not.
COD. COD is not
There is no
available.
COD option.
And the minimum amount of water is 6,000 rupees.
6,000 rupees. So hope you guys you will like this video, and any wholesaler who will want to purchase from here, you can easily contact him on WhatsApp number given on screen. You can purchase from your home only wholesale, no retail. So I can meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.